welcome back to my channel. I am Melody, M-E-L-O-D-Y. If this is your first time seeing me, I create hair, beauty and fashion related content here on YouTube. So if that is something you're interested in, you should definitely subscribe for more. Today's video is all about these beautiful knotless box braids that I created using the crochet method. Now the crochet method is easy and very simple for persons who don't know how to feed in basically. So if you're not a braider, you can definitely achieve this style just by following a few simple steps. Let's get straight into the video. So to start off, I'm basically showing you how I section and catch my hair with the rubber bands. Now you know that when you're doing your own hair, you have to have two mirrors so you can see what's going on. And I'm using hair wax, and what I'm doing is putting it on my parting so they can be clear and straight as possible. I'm also putting some at my roots, then I use the comb to smoothen and blend my hair for the elastic bands.
Here comes the hardest part, remember how we started, we're getting wet with the fuse. I hope you feel better while you're sleeping on your own. I may be hurting now,
and this is what my hair looks like once I'm finished, and I had 18 sections in total. Alright, so the hair that I'll be using is the expression braiding hair in the color 1, and I will be using 2 packs. And what I did was cut each pack into half. From each pack I got 9 braids, and for each single braid I basically divided the hair into 2 pieces, one big and one small, and I will explain why I did this soon. So to get that knotless look, I will be crocheting both pieces into my hair. For the bigger piece, I will be crocheting it left to right or sideways, and for the smaller piece, I will be crocheting it top to bottom. And you will notice that I have 4 pieces, but I just need 3 to braid, right? Now I am just adding some more of my hair wax to the ends of my real hair so it will blend in properly with the braiding hair. And then I'm going to split my real hair into 2 pieces and put one piece on the left and the other on the right with the braided hair. Next, I'm going to join the 2 pieces from the top and bottom so they can become one, and now I have 3 pieces to braid. And I'm braiding it just like any other braid. Nothing special, just a regular plaiting.
forgetting every version of you, picking up the parts I feel my restart. Remember where the fuse.
So I decided that I want my braids to stop at arm length. So when I get to my arm, what I'm going to do is just add an elastic band and move on to the next. Now I'm going to repeat it one more time just in case you missed it the first. So now I'm crocheting the bigger piece sideways, left to right or right to left, whichever way you're comfortable with, and then I'm going to crochet the smaller piece from top to bottom or bottom to top. And then I'm going to add some more hair wax to my real hair so it can blend in properly with the braiding hair. And then I'm going to divide my hair into 2 sections, one for the right, one for the left. Then I'm going to join the top and bottom piece and then continue to braid.
Even though you're not around, I get so lonely, I forget all the reasons why
Okay, so now I'm going in with my scissors to clip the flyaway so I can have neater braids, of course.
Here comes the hardest part, remember.
Now for the ends, I'm wrapping the hair around the flexi rods. Then I'm just going to dip the braids in hot water. No, I didn't film that part because girl, I just did not film. I didn't want to focus on hot water in my hair while I'm filming, so me just skip that part there. I dipped them for about 3 minutes and I left the rods on for about an hour, but the hair wasn't completely dry when I took them out, so I just allowed them to air dry. Once the curls are set, you can remove the rods and let your braids dry properly, so you don't have to keep them on your hair for an hour or anything like I did. Just give it a few minutes to set and then remove them. And you know, I had to clip the ends to make sure they were all at the same length. I did my edges off camera and now I'm applying some hair mousse to the braids and my edges so the hair wax doesn't leave a white cast. And that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and find it helpful. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.